Welcome to part 2 of our video series on backward design. In this video, we will look at some introductory information to the backward design model. Backward design is an educational planning approach that gained traction among educators when it was laid out in detail by Grant Williams and Jay McTeague in their popular book, Understanding by Design, in 1998. Understanding by Design, or UBD as it is commonly referred to, was published by the Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development. According to Williams and McTeague, there are 3 defined stages to the backward design approach for creating courses. The first stage is to identify desired results. The second stage is to determine acceptable evidence. And the third stage is to plan learning experiences and instruction. Part 3 of this video series will explain these stages in greater detail, so join us to complete the lesson.